Hi, this is Denise, and hey, I wanted to show you a quick way on how to access your event invitation that you can send out to guests. You should have received a text invitation to download the app, and this is what it kind of looks like when you first get it. It just basically says that you've been invited. So when you get the invitation, go ahead and click that you want to add the app on your phone. I've already done that, so when I click on it, it'll kind of go to the app here. And after you download it, this is kind of what it looks like. Slide up and you will see all your information. Basically what you want to do is click where it says guests, and right now it says 2 because that's you, the host, and me, the other guest. When it asks you to link the contacts to your phone, please click yes, as that will be much easier than entering all those guest address or phone numbers. So you're going to just click each person that you want to invite by clicking on the little icon at the bottom and go through all of your people that you want to add in. Once you add them in, a green dot will show up. That means that they are added. Then what you're going to do is click your save at the top, and that will go ahead and send that invitation out. You can invite all at once, you can invite in batches, however it works easiest for you. And you want to make sure that you definitely invite at least 50 people. When you invite 50 people, you're going to be able to get a free bonus gift from me. And just to kind of let you know that even though you may have sent out some mailed invitations, doing this will help increase that attendance. When you invite about 50, about 10 to 15 will show up, and it's just kind of how the numbers work. So you'll notice here as well that at the top it'll tell you how many guests are in the invitation. It'll show 52 once you're done because you and I count as one apiece. So you want to shoot for that number to be 52. So you're going to be adding a few. It'll look like you're adding a few extra. So I hope that helps answer some questions, and good luck.